I made my first $100 10 days after creating my YouTube account. Yes, this thing is real, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step guide that I used to make this money online. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video as well, and then turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. And I'll be right back after this short intro. What's up guys, it's Richmond here, and welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel we teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, and anything related to how to make money online. So if you're new to this channel, like the video, turn on notification, and subscribe to the channel as well if you want to learn new strategies that we use to make money online. Okay guys, so I want to leave a disclaimer over here that if you're somebody who is very lazy, please, this video is not for you. And in my next video I'm going to show you the laziest way that you can make money online. Yes, so in this world, or in the world of affiliate marketing and all those marketing strategies, it's not like how working hard, it's like working smart. So this video is being categorized into different steps. Yes, about 3 or 4 steps. So in this step 1, what I'll urge you to do is to get yourself a new YouTube account. Do not use your main YouTube account. Get yourself a new YouTube account, and if you're new, all you need to do is to go to youtube.com, set up for an account, and come to the step 2. And right after setting up your YouTube account, come to this platform called Digistore24. Guys, I will leave the link in the description below so that you can click on it and come to this platform, or you can go to Google and search for digistore24.com. If you are new, all you need to do is to hit on register. It's very simple. I have a video in my YouTube account that shows you how to create an account on Digistore24. You can watch that and learn how to sign up for an account on Digistore24. It's very simple, and right after doing that, you log into your account by hitting on login, and it's going to log you straight to your account. And in this step, that's where the magic begins. In step number 3, go to YouTube, search for your niche, like how to make money on YouTube. Yes, so you can search for any niche that you are in, the purpose of creating that YouTube account. So you want to make money online with YouTube, so you can search for how to make money on YouTube. And you hit on enter. In step number 3, go to an AI tool called ChatGPT. So you can hit on you can type in chat.openai.com, and if you are new to this platform, you hit on sign up. If you are old, you hit on login. So I already have an account. I hit on login, and I'll log into my account. Okay, so guys, now we have the 3 tools that we are going to use to make money with this platform, YouTube. We have the YouTube itself, Digistore, and then ChatGPT. So these are the 3 tools that we are going to use. And the next step, let's go back to Digistore24 and hit try to find a product that we are going to work on. Okay, so guys, after coming to Digistore24, all you need to do is to hit on marketplace, and it will move you to the affiliate dashboard where you are going to get a product to promote. So as you can see, YouTube is being categorized into niches, and these things over here, Digistore24 has also categorized the items into niches. So what you need to do right now is to search for a product that we are going to promote with the help of ChatGPT on YouTube. Okay, so when you come to YouTube, when you come to Digistore 24, all you need to do is to hit on social media, and right after hitting on social media, you come to the social media product that you can promote on YouTube without having an issue, or you can choose to go for any of the categories that you wish you can promote. So you can go for email marketing, and it depends. You can go for any of these products over here if only you can promote on YouTube, depending on the type of niche that you typed in. So we type in how to make money on YouTube, so you can go for internet marketing and e-business. So let's hit on that, and it's going to take us to, okay, so as you can see, when you promote this, you are going to make 211 per sale. So you can hit on promote and you copy your link over here, and what you need to do right now is to save this link somewhere, and you come to YouTube. After coming to YouTube, all you need to do is to hit on filters. When you hit on filter, sort the video by view count and by week or month. Don't sort it by year. So you sort it by month and go back and hit on filters. So after sorting it, what this thing means is that I want to sort the videos according to the week that I'll so that I'll get new videos posted on YouTube for the past week ago. So that's the reason why I sorted it by week. So what we need to do right now is to go in, go in and then search for a video that we want to use this magic on. So I'll go to, okay, this thing is very good, or any of the keywords that you wish. Okay, this video is getting a lot of views, so I'll click on that. Okay guys, so we are not here to watch any YouTube video. All we are here to do is to comment down every video that is being posted, or we are going to leave a comment to some of the videos that are getting a lot of views. That means when you leave a comment, this video has 11k likes and then 244k views in the past 3 weeks. That means if you leave a comment that is very sensible, means you are going to get a lot of attention in this. So all you need to do is to go to ChatGPT and generate an article. Okay guys, so when you come to ChatGPT, all you need to do is to type in a nice prompt like give me 5 or top 5 measures or top 5 ways of making money online on YouTube. So okay, so ChatGPT is going to generate an article for us, and we are going to copy that, proofread that, and we are going to paste that on YouTube with our link that we got from Digistore 24. So this basically the step-by-step guide that we can use. So as you can see, ChatGPT has finished the article. So all you need to do is to copy this, and you go to Digistore 24. So you are going to leave this comment or this article under the comment section of the video that we pull up, but I don't know, the network here is not good, so let me do the explanation to you. And after leaving the comment, you come back to this Digital 24, generate the link by clicking on promote over here. As you can see, promote. So you just copy the link, you leave you create a landing page for this link, and all you need to do is to paste that link in the comment section or in the comment that you generated in the article that you generated from ChatGPT. And when somebody clicks on that, you're going to earn a commission on that. So as you can see, when you are able to get somebody to purchase this product over here by Matpa, means you are going to earn $211. So 211 multiplied by 10 means you've earned your easy $2,000 instantly. So that's how I used to make my first $100 on YouTube without with 0 views, 0 subscribers, and 0 comment on 0 video, anything. So that's how I was able to make, or I was able to generate that money. So guys, if you are loving what I'm doing, or if you love what I'm showing you on this channel, kindly subscribe, comment down below where you do not understand, and like the video as well. Leave all your comments in the comment section, and I'll be there to answer them one after the other. Like the video. If you have a friend who wants to learn how to make money online, share this video to that person, and I'll be very grateful. Until I see you in my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. See you in my next video, and bye bye for